Hi, today I have a car lock for you guys. It's a Volkswagen. I have no idea what model it is. Um, Here's the key, but this is not the key for this lock. I already have this key. I got this lock and I tried to make it work. It's a slider lock. I think it's 10 sliders, 5 from left, from the right side. I tried to make this key work, but I think 2 or 3 of them I was unable to align it and make it work. So as you can see, this key is not working. This is just to show you how the key looks like for this lock, and I will try to pick it. As I mentioned, from the right side the sliders are on top, so I need to push him down, and from the left side the sliders are on bottom, so I need to push them up. Come on, focus. And I will use this pick. It's easy for me to manipulate the sliders. So I will start from the right side. It's focusing here, so come on, key. Come on, it's why it's doing the trying. It's not focusing. So one, and there are false gates, I forgot to mention that, or cuts on the sliders. So yeah, it's, you will see me release tension sometime. Yeah, I think everything seems springy on the right side, so going on the left side. So first small click, second click, third, come on, third nothing, fourth, fifth one, that's scratching the surface. So I think, let me check again, sliders from the right side. It's not easy pick, but it's not like crazy hard to pick this kind of locks, and depends on the car manufacturer, on the lock manufacturer. It's a different feedback, but I think this is the older model of some Volkswagen model cars, so I'm not sure. I tried to figure it out. There is a Volkswagen logo on the back on this cover, plastic cover, but there is a part number, but I don't think I can find the model. So yeah, I think I pick all the sliders from the right side. So now I'm trying the sliders from the left side, and I will now do this and do this. That's because, let me show you. I will try to focus on the key. Because of the key, you can overset the sliders. Come on. So sometimes I'm doing this and this, like inside, so I will be sure that I did not overset some of the sliders, because you can overset. I will show you when I'm going to pick it, if I'm going to pick it, and I will show you how I pick this lock, my approach, and how the sliders work and how you can overset some of them. So I think now the last slider, yeah, small turn on the core, yeah, that's good. So I think maybe one of the sliders is not set properly, so let's figure it out. Come on, right side, no, Let me check if I overset something. No. So let's I think now everything feels big from the left side. So let me check the right side. First springy, second, third, fourth springy, fifth one. Remove tension a bit. Yeah, it was the last slider, and we are open finally. That's very good. So it's a bit tricky, but yeah, as I said, sometimes because of that grooves and how it's called, like false set, it's a bit tricky sometimes to pick it properly. So here's the sliders. Here's 1, 3, 5 and 7. So it's 8 sliders. Now 2, 4, 4. I cleaned this lock a bit, so I forgot that it's a 8, not 10 sliders. So yeah, here's the small springs there and there. So we put the core here, and I will show you. Let me find the cleanest one. I don't know if this is a clean one. This is the part that is interacting with the key, so that's why it's called sliders. Number 2, and I don't know if you can see the cuts and the grooves there. There. Yeah, there. I will try to clean it a bit. So there they are. So yeah, here it is again, and yeah, that was a Volkswagen lock with 8, not 10 sliders. Sorry for that. Picked and got it. So guys, before I say bye, let me show you what I mean with how to pick it, and or how you can overset some of them, because there is no, I do not have the tool. It's like picking it, so you can overset. It happens a couple of times when I start picking this lock, because it's still very dirty lock. Even I clean it a bit, and yeah, this is how this part interact, and how the lock focus. It's so, let me put it. Yeah, here's how it goes, and I'm just like let me do it like this. Maybe I can show you like this. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see the sliders. That's one good thing, and I will try to somehow show you. So let me check on which side the sliders are. So this is, I think, from the right side. No. Yeah, this is right side is going up. So here's how the sliders are going up. Left side. So you need to go down. Come on. And here it is. Yeah, it's a bit, for me currently it's a bit difficult, but you can overset. Come on, go. Yeah, that's the full set, and you can somehow overset some of them, like pushing it, yeah, more up and catching the. So that's how I was saying that you can overset. Here's how you can overset. I'm pushing it up. I don't know if you can see, but that's the overset. So that's why I was trying to go up and just some of them. Yeah. I think, I don't know if you understand me what I was trying to show you. So yeah, that was the Volkswagen lock, picked and got it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.